We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M553. So first thing I do is open my tray here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it all the way out. You see these blue tabs? These are your adjustments for the types of paper that you have. So you want to make sure that that is adjusted correctly for the type of paper you're using for that print job. Then also you have this side right here that adjusts. If you have envelopes or anything like that, you would adjust that. Just make sure it's in the correct position. You also have these little tabs right here on each side. Do not fill over that. That's the max level indicator. So what that is if you fill over that, then you're definitely going to cause jams to your printer, because the paper is going to be too much and it'll pick up either nothing or too many pieces of paper at one time. So just make sure those are in the correct place. Another thing that I like to do when I'm adding paper to my tray, I never just like stick it in there, because if you do, most likely it's not ever going to be completely aligned, which could cause a jam. So what I like to do is take my old paper and then take my new paper, mix it together, fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air causes the pages to stick together, and so you don't want that, because it would cause a jam. So go ahead and fan it out, then align the paper, and then put it in your printer. You should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.